Also other one, number 2. Yes, this will come like that. Now I have to fix nuts. Yes, dear, I fixed already. Now I have to fix that bracket plastic cover. Now it will come like that. I have to fix screws. Here. Maybe. Now that one also okay. Now I have to give the connections are here. Heater connection. Okay, this is earth wire. Also other connection for the heater. Now it's okay. Now this is thermistor connection. It will come like that. Here. Also I will give the motor connections here. Thermistor connection I have to give now. This one here, it will come like that. Now the screw will come here. Yes dear, now it's okay. Now it's okay. Motor connection we can give now. Here this is the first motor, number 2 motor connection. Yes, it's okay. We have to give the here harness lock here. Also other connection also we can give now. That one also okay. I have to fix lock here. Harness will come like that. Also I have to fix with the cable tie. Now it will come here like that. Now I have to fix cable tie. Now okay dear, now it's okay, perfect. Now I have to fix pulley. Now dear friends, I'm going to fix the pulley. Both pulley we have to fix properly. That groove will come like that. Now it's okay. Now I have to fix this washer here. Now only we can fix this nut 36. Yes dear, I tied properly. Now it's okay. You can see here. Now we will fix the second one. Second pulley we have to fix now. It will come this way. You can see here this groove, it will go to inside here like that. After that we have to fix this washer and also nut. Now we can tie it. It is 13, sorry, it is 17 number. Yes, here it's okay now. Now both pulley I fixed properly. Now I can fix belt. Both belt I have to fix because you can see this one is small, other one is big. Big one, it will come to the main drum. Now dear friends, while we are going to fix, that is a length, big one and small. You can see here this one, the bigger one, it will come to here, that is internally number 2. It will come to the drum pulley. It's coming like that. You can see here. Otherwise we are not able to fix. Now you can check here. Now it's okay. I fixed the belt. You can see dear friends. The first belt I fixed already. Now it will come like that. You can see here. Now other belt, that's mean right side belt, small one, it will come to the pulley, pulsator pulley. Now I will fix that one also. Here like that. You can see here. Now it's okay my dear. Now it's okay. Now we can try with the power. Also we have to double check. Now dear friends, finally I can fix here. Now finally I can now I already fixed detergent drawer. Finally I have to fix here. Now it's okay. Now I will give the power connection and we will check one time. After that we will give the water connection. Again I am selecting drain and spin cycle and I will start. Door already got lock. Now I already given power connection. Also I'm going to select drain and spin cycle. I will start the machine. Door already got locked. Now it is increasing RPM. I selected only, it is automatically, it will come 1400 RPM. So the display is showing 11 minutes remaining. Now you can see here, drum is rotating. No any abnormal noise. I will show you the back side also. It's running like that. My job already completed now. Yes dear, it is no any abnormal noise. Now dear friends, you can hear the noise. No any abnormal noise. My job already completed. Now I have to check with the water. I will show you the back side also. It's running like that. You can see here. While RPM increasing time, pulsator motor also will start within few minutes. The same way, that's been the clockwise, the same way. Now you can see dear friends, pulsator motor also starts the same rotation, same way. Pulsator drum also. Now my job already completed. Now it's remaining 7 minutes. I have to fix back cover and top cover. After that my job already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.